Y'all, we at the lake with it. Got some Chick-fil-A. I got some minis and like the sweet tea lemon in it. I originally was gonna eat it out there, but they got geese and ducks, and I don't feel like getting attacked today from my food, so we in the car with it. Oh yeah. I got Polynesian, and I got the zesty buffalo sauce. Y'all, this bust. Okay. I think I'm gonna dip them each in both. Big bag, big bag. Don't care. Don't care, don't care. I'll put that one there. Alright, boom. I was looking at my nuggets. I was like, y'all, why these look smaller? Y'all rationing around here? Don't play with me. I don't play about my minis. I'm about to fit the minis. Y'all rationing around this bitch. Polynesian and buffalo. Yep. In buffalo. It looks nice outside today. Like, after I finish devouring these, I'm gonna take me a walk out there too. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and go inside. It's like a word. And I'm gonna give me a piece of gum before I go to, and honestly not mine, it's my sister's, but she left it in my car, so now it's mine. But yeah. So if you see this, boo, thank you. I need that. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna wash our hands and whatnot. I just came in here and I saw this poster. Don't chase. Baby, we're not finna chase him. We're just not finna chase him. Not gonna lie, y'all, I'd rather use toilet paper to dry my hands than use that fucking blower. We love to see it. We love to see and enjoy it. Oh, y'all, I would usually come down here, but I want to go to my other spot first. Hold on. I don't feel like being bothered today, so I'm gonna go down to my other spot. Yeah, I was like, I hear kids, they got the babies out here exploring in the woods over there. They're so cute and adorable. Not that I'm in a rush or anything, but ooh, look. I love seeing the autumn leaves. You can't stop me from coming out here. You just can't. Y'all, look at the turtle. Y'all, we made it to the spot. Now, usually, I sit down there. Leaves is covering the ground, so I'm gonna be careful. And just sit here and think and ground and silence. Bye, y'all. Oh, look at the ducks. They're so cute. I know I said bye. Now it's really bye. Because now I'm leaving. After I've been out here, I think for almost an hour and 2 shoes. Yeah. Thanks for coming with me. See y'all later on the next adventure. We'll probably be here or somewhere else. Really depends. It just depends. Because I don't feel like driving out 2-3 hours. You know,